So I am doing Duolingo Math. This is a math content-based educational app. It features various types of units under two different sections. The first section is beginner, and then the second one is intermediate. The beginner features multiplication and fractions, such as pictured under here, multiplication, division, fractions. And then the intermediate features things such as higher level multiplication, time, multiplication and division, rounding. You can offer handwriting on this app, and I'll show you what that pertains to. So I want to go and hit up addition. So what's really nice about this app is that it offers different methods of problems. So this one, it's asking you to follow the pattern. And if you get an answer wrong, it will just cancel that one out and leave the rest, the other answers to you. So I'm just going through here. This gives you a type method to type in your answers. This one you can drag in what would give you the sum of 9. This you find out which equation would equal to 7. I'm going to purposely get this one wrong. It tells you that you got it wrong. It's when you type. It's when you draw a number line. You kind of guesstimate if you got that one right. This one you can write. Now, as you can see in settings, you can turn off the handwriting aspect if you have a child with disabilities that can't write, or if your screen's broken because I'm using this on the phone. So that's how the lessons usually are. Another unfortunate thing about this app is if you have to stop in the middle of a lesson, it won't keep your progress unless you finish it. So I have to quit, and as you can see, it doesn't keep your progress. When you finish a lesson, you get stars. So the cost as of right now is free. If you log on to this app if you log on this app each day, there's a streak, and I believe you get stars from having like a 2-day streak or a 3-day streak. A con about this app is it only really offers intermediate math. It doesn't offer any algebra or calculus lessons that would be considered higher level math. The cost is free. This is a useful app for teachers because they could tell their students to log onto their Duolingo account and complete Unit 1 lesson of add 1 and subtract 1. And that would help their students practice their math skills. This is useful for students to use because this is a different way of being taught and practicing math other than a worksheet and pencil. Also, they may find it fun to drag numbers, guesstimate on the number line, and to handwrite the answer onto the screen. This is also really useful for them because they can further themselves on math lessons. So let's say they're only learning addition for right now. They can go on and teach themselves subtraction on this app to further themselves educationally. This is great for parents because they can just hand their phone to their student and give them enrichment while they're waiting for something in public, like at the doctor's office, or if they're going through a drive-thru or something, they could hurry up and do some math or sit at the table and wait on mom to make dinner, and then go through the app and do some math. So it's a really safe app for parents to give their student to use. There's no ads. It's self-explanatory. You can track the progress as well. On when you complete a lesson, you get a star, and it shows up on like right here. This is what a completed lesson looks like with fractions 1. So parents can know that their students staying on track, as well as teachers. But the pros are it's just different for people to use, and there's different units, and it's just different methods of teaching.